Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. On today's video, we'll be talking about one of the products that I use that clear out my acne and smoothing out my rough bumpy skin. If you are struggling with a rough texture skin and a strong acne, and also if you're also struggling with strawberry legs, you are in the right place. So today we are going to do a deep dive about CeraVe SA smoothing cleanser. Does this cleanser worth the hype? Does it dry up the face? Let's get into it. Let's break down everything that you need to know about this product. What is the key ingredients that is in this product? Let's read out the back of the cleanser. It contains 3 essentials, which is the ceramide, salicylic acid, and hyaluronic acid. You shall know what I'm trying to say. So it's a gentle cleanser while exfoliating a rough skin without disrupting the protective skin barrier. So you know that the ceramide that is in this product helps not to damage your skin barrier. Then the hyaluronic acid helps to exfoliate your skin without leaving the dry feeling on your face. So who is this cleanser for? So who can actually use this cleanser? This cleanser, if you have a rough bumpy skin, especially on your forehead or the back of your arm, you can actually use this cleanser. If you are dealing with mild acne and unclogged pores, you can also use this cleanser. It can also use on the face and on the body. Note that because it's an active exfoliator, if you have a very sensitive skin, you might want to do a patch test to test reaction of this cleanser on your face. You would want to use it 2 to 3 times in a week. It will not be an everyday wash for you because of your sensitive skin. How do you use this cleanser? Remember that how you use this cleanser actually matters. Before you use this cleanser, ensure that your face is wet. You wet your face, then you put it in your palm, then you apply it on your face, on your wet face. Don't apply it on the dry skin. Massage it gently for a full 60 seconds and leave it for some time. This will give the salicylic acid enough time to work on your skin. Then you rinse with a lukewarm water and pat dry. After that, you follow up with a good moisturizer to lock in moisture for a better hydration. So if you are a beginner, start by using 2 to 3 times in a week to know like the reaction of the cleanser on your face before you switch to using it daily. Well, let's talk about the pros and cons of this product. So on my personal experience, this cleanser is nice, it's gentle, and it doesn't foam up easily, but it gets the job done. Like, let me show you guys the texture of this. You can see the texture. The texture is a gel-like type of cleanser. Some people might like the foamy type that when you use it on your face, it foams well. So but for me, I like this gel-like texture, and it does not even smell, it does not have fragrance. So if you are the type that does not mind the product not having fragrance, because some people like when their product has like scented smell, and it also, when you use this on your face, it leaves your skin feeling like, even with this gel, like it still gives, because some people feels like when the cleanser is foamy, it gets the job done, but this gel-like texture is also get the job done because it leaves your skin feeling so incredibly soft. So you're going to love this product. If you want a smooth glowing complexion and the solution for body texture, this cleanser is a must-have. It's a must-have. You're going to love this cleanser. Like you can see it's 2. This one has finished. I just repurchased this one to tell you that this product is a must-have. It lasts forever. What you just need is just a pump, and that's it, and it will give your skin the results. Did you try CeraVe SA smoothing cleanser yet? Or do you have other favorite cleanser that you use? Well, let me know your thoughts. Drop it in the comment section below. If you find this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more skincare reviews. See you on my next video. Bye.